told you, this is Corella from Any House Cleaning. We almost done. We already cleaned all the surface, and we are vacuuming this house. We are in Providence Golf Club, and we use a protein backpack vacuum, HEPA filtration. The brush is especially for the floor, and we use another kind of brush to vacuum the carpets. Permiso. We are almost done with the house. A lot of things to do. We are pet friendly, and you can call us at 407-572-4118. Thank you for watching us. And dusting the main living area. She already finished to dust all the blinds. This house has wood blinds, and the client requests a deep cleaning for the blinds because she had birds. I think it's like that. She has birds, and the birds sometimes poo on the blind. So right now they are in at the cage. Oh, beauty! Hi, beauty! But usually they fly all over the place. A lot of knickknacks. Beautiful house. White cabinets. A lot of knickknacks on top of the cabinet, but everything is shiny and clean. Microwave clean. Outside oven is clean. The dishwasher, the refrigerator, all the counters. And right now Erika is vacuuming the floor. And you can call us at 407-572-4118. We are pet friendly, as you see. Hey, beauty. Hi, how you doing? Hola. Hi, beauty. Oh, qué lindo, qué lindo. So we almost done. Everything is clean, and everything is shiny. And let me see, another thing that I want to talk about it is the bathroom. This client, she likes decoration. She likes to have many things really well decorated. The only thing is the bathroom has so many things that we spend a lot of time to clean it. So many things to cover, from top of the lighting, mirror, a lot of knickknacks. So we take a lot of time to move around and work around all the knickknacks. Shower is clean, and you will think that is. Oh, let me shut off that. Okay. You may think that it's easy. Looks easy, but it's not. It was moldy before. We have to remove that. Erika took a lot of time cleaning this bathroom, dusting the plants, things like that. This client also have a books here, perfumes in this side, so many little things. So if you need your house clean, just call us at 407-572-4118. Thank you.